Lighting is the basis of photography and one of the most important rules that the photographer depends on. If you are a social media pioneer, this pocket light is important for you. The good thing about this lighting is the brightness control and white balance from warm color to cold color. The accessories coming in the box, cable and joints. You can stick more than one light with the joints. Now I can use my Osmo Action camera, in this case at a different time. With this case, I can add more lights. It's good for the small products photography. I will leave a link for these products.